Most AI video tools today have one big problem. They are either too expensive or too complicated, or they create videos that just don't look usable. But in this video, I'm going to show you an AI platform that is trying to solve all these three problems. It is called DomoAI. So this is DomoAI, and in this video, I'm going to test it properly. We will test video to video style transfer. We'll also test frames to video storytelling as well. And most importantly, we are going to test that can DomoAI actually compete with tools like Kling, Runway, Pika, or Veo. So DomoAI is basically an all-in-one creative platform focused on image generation, video generation, animation, editing, and character creation. What I really like about DomoAI is the interface is super simple. Everything is divided into three clear sections: AI video, AI image, and AI editing. Even if you are a complete beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed. And unlike many AI tools that try to do everything badly, DomoAI gives you multiple professional creator workflows inside one single tool. That includes talking avatars, image to video, video to video, frames to video, character animation, upscaling, GPT image editing, face swap, photo restoration. So instead of paying for 4 or 5 different tools, you can do everything inside just one single platform. And that's a huge advantage for anime creators, marketeers, storytellers, and faceless content creators. So let's just test their most exciting feature right now. Their most exciting feature is talking avatars. This feature lets you upload any portrait and turn it into a speaking animated character. You don't need any camera, no microphone, no filming, just image plus script. And their latest update added something very important that includes better natural voices, emotional control, multi-character conversations. So imagine this: you upload 2 anime characters, one speaks angrily and one responds whispering, and DomoAI basically handles the voices automatically. And that's crazy. For YouTube creators, this means AI podcast, animated stories, character channels, explainer videos, historical character speaking, meme conversations, and for TikTok or shorts, this can go viral fast. So let's just quickly test this for this particular scenario. So to start using talking avatars, simply just go to domoai.app or just click on the link in description, and after that you can just come to this AI video section, and from here you can select talking avatar. Or if you are at home page, simply just go to talking avatar directly from here, and then you can just access it in here. And now everything is super simple. You can just upload your characters from here, or you can just upload something from your assets. So if you just click on that, it will just show you all of your previously uploaded images in here. So you can simply just choose your character in here, and then you can just assign it a voice or something. You can just record your own as well, or you can select asset, or simply just choose this text to speech. If you just choose that, now you can just add your text script in here. You can just choose voice. So there are plenty of these voices. You can just choose any of these voices from here, and then you can provide your script, and then you can just click on generate. I have already created some of the samples in here for you. So this is one of the anime character. If I just click on this,
Vibes.dev is the best AI design tool.
Perfect. So this is basically a talking head and anime character. So I created a more realistic version of this as well.
Vibes.dev is the best.
So this more realistic version looks even more realistic than that anime character.
AI design tool.
You can use this multi-feature as well. So if you just click on that, and now you can just add 2 different speakers and then add different dialogues. So you can choose voice for speaker A, and then you can choose voice for speaker B, and then you can here just type the script for speaker A, and then script for the speaker B from here. And then you can simply just click on add dialogue and then click on generate. So this way you can generate dialogues for multiple characters. Now similarly, let's just test the second feature, which is image to video. So if I just click on this option, which is image to video, you can just find it in here. Simply just click on that, and here you can just provide an image, and DomoAI will actually convert that image or animate that image and create a video for you based on your prompt. So let's suppose I have this character in here. This is a cute 3D character, and now I can just give a prompt to animate this character. But you got 2 different options to choose from here. There are these 2 models. One is advanced and one is faster. So the version of this model is version 2.4.1, and we can just either choose the advanced version or the faster version. So I'm just going to choose the faster one, and now I can give it a prompt. So you can either give just a simple prompt, or you can just choose something from this template. So if you just click on this template section, and here you can choose any of these templates from here. If you have 2 different characters, you can make both of those characters maybe kiss each other, or even this one, or you can just maybe just click on zoom in, and what it will do, it will just zoom in on this character just in this particular style, the way this guy is actually doing. But the most important thing in this feature is these models, and this is where DomoAI actually becomes dangerous for the competitors, because many AI tools out there just give you speed or quality, but DomoAI actually gives you both in here. So let's just quickly test this scenario. So this is the character, and this is the template that we chose. You can just give a very detailed prompt as well, but I'll simply just click on generate, and now it is going to generate this task, and we have already selected this faster model, so it is going to generate these results quite fast. There you go, our video is ready in literally just few seconds, and you can see it zooms in on the character, and character just has this expression. There was no background for that character. I could add a background for better results on these sides, but overall you can see it has done an amazing job. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this AI model from DomoAI is really critical to achieve the better results. For example, you can create anime fight scenes, music videos, fantasy characters moving, cinematic portraits, product ads, AI trailers. If you're posting shorts daily, you can use the faster mode, and if you're building serious content, then you can use the advanced mode. And honestly, this is very smart setup from DomoAI. Now, this next feature is probably one of the strongest feature on DomoAI, and that is video to video. You can just upload your normal footage, and then it converts that into style. It can convert your footage in maybe into clay animation, into PS2 game style, maybe Chinese ink painting, or maybe pixel art, paper art, cartoon style, and it only takes literally just 2 steps. Step 1 is you just upload your footage, and step 2 is you just choose your style. You can explain in prompt as well, or you can just like choose any of these styles from here. So there are really cool styles in here. You can just like choose from any of these styles. There is this flat color anime style, there is this gritty anime style, there is this sketch anime style as well. So you can just choose among any of these popular styles. There is this clay cartoon, there is this PS2 game style, there is this paper art style as well, there is this 3D cartoon style as well. So you can just try any of these styles, and then it will convert your simple footage into a proper anime style video. So this one is Japanese anime style video, and this was the footage, this was the input footage, and I just gave it this prompt, which was turn this video into Japanese anime style video, and then it converted that into this, and it will still keep your voiceover, and everything will be consistent. You can see on this right side there was some plant and some like these leaves, and this woman is wearing this particular dress, so it kept everything as it is, and then it turned the style into Japanese anime style. You know what this means? This means creators can film normal content just like this that I'm filming right now, and then transform it into something unique instantly. And this is huge because uniqueness wins attention. If your video looks different, people stop scrolling, which is really critical for attention grabbing in this day and age with people with very short span of attention. So imagine you dancing and then convert it into anime, or walking vlog footage converted into PS2 game style. That's literally some gold content. Another really important feature is this frames to video. So in this feature, you can just like choose a start frame, and then you can just choose an end frame, and then you can just give a prompt, and it will create a detailed video starting with the start frame and then ending at the end frame, and that will create a video based on your frame and based on your prompt. So here's one example of that. So I provided 2 photos. This is the first photo, which is like an opening frame, and then this is the second photo, which is the ending frame, which is like the second frame. So in the start frame, I'm standing with a laptop, and in the ending frame, I am just like working on something. And then this is the video that it generated based on that. So it like starts in here, and then it like I'm sitting down and I have this laptop open and I'm working on something. This is again really important for storytelling sequences, before and after videos, character evolution, comic scenes, product transformation, cinematic intros. Very useful for video intros and reels, by the way. Now let's talk value, because pricing does matter. And their pro plan is actually $69.99 per month, and that includes 4,000 credits, 6 fast lanes, and unlimited generations. Compared to many competitors, that's actually aggressive pricing. Some tools charge similar kind of pricing with fewer outputs, and many tools don't even offer unlimited generations. So if you generate content daily, this can be the cost effective fast. So here is who I think DomoAI is best for. It is best for anime creators, for shorts creators, for faceless channels, for agencies, meme pages, and beginners. Now here is my honest opinion. DomoAI is not trying to be a coding tool. It is not trying to be ChatGPT. It knows exactly what it is, a creator focused AI visual platform. And that's smart. Instead of doing everything badly, it focuses on helping people create content quickly. And that's why it feels practical, especially for creators who care about speed plus visuals. So has DomoAI reached the level of Kling, Pika, Runway, or Vio? Well, in some areas, especially anime workflows, style transfer, avatar content, and value for money, it is absolutely competitive. And for some creators, it may actually be the better choice, because the best AI tool is not the most hyped one. It is the one that helps you publish consistently. So if you want to try DomoAI yourself, I'll just leave a link in description. New users also get free bonus credits to try it. Also do let me know in the comment section, would you choose DomoAI or tools like Kling or Runway? If you have any further questions about DomoAI or about AI tools in general, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.